This is our Stabicraft 2100 Supercab ST. The ST stands for Sealegs technology. We've collaborated with Sealegs to bring you the best offshore amphibious fishing boat you can buy. Starting at the back end, we've got the Yamaha 250 horsepower 4-stroke. This boat, really grunty, tops out around about 85 kilometers an hour. We've got the full digital controls, so shifting between gears is a breeze. We've got our transom mount transducers here, and then moving around we've got our standard Stabicraft dive ladder as well. So stepping over the transom, we've got our rear transom seats, which also double as a step or a great place to cast your lures. Moving into the boat, we've got our ultra-long marine U-deck flooring. It's super comfortable in bare feet and also really easy to keep clean. We've got our Sealegs drive gear in the engine box here, and we've optioned a squab on top just for a comfortable place to sit when underway. We've also got our Railblazer fittings connected in the front here. We have some vertical rod storage. It's also a great place if you remove the squab to set your tackle bags and rig your lures. So we've got our Stabicraft cutting board, filling board here. We've utilised the Railblazer fittings again to be able to mount it in the side of the coaming, so you can pull it on, pull it off and take it off if you're not going to be using it, and whack it in when you are. So we've got our Stabicraft wing style coamings. These have 6 rod holder positions, all with the stainless steel upgrade. We've got the Railblazer multi-holders with your tackle storage and drink storage in there. Underneath we've got our washdown pump, and we've also got the U-deck marine flooring in here as well, just to keep your rods nice and damage free while you're underway. So into the cabin we've got our 2 elite bolster seats. We've got all of our key electronics that fall to hand here. We've got our Garmin 7412. We've got our Sealegs control panel here. We've got the key on off, forward, neutral, reverse, got the wheels up and down, and that's really it. We've chosen to fit our V-berth extension squabs in our demonstrator. This gives you the option to overnight with a 1.8 metre length V-berth. So you just simply whack this out, pop your squabs on, pop your infill squabs in, and you've got a bed for 2 people. So you've also got heaps of dry storage underneath the squabs. You can stash anything, life jackets, your lunch, whatever you need. So up on the roof we've got the twin system rocket launcher. We've got 13 rod holder positions here to keep your rods up high and out of the way on the cockpit. We've also got our Railblazer roof racks. We've been keeping the paddle boards up on top on the weekend missions. We've got our ultra-long U-deck flooring up here as well to keep the bommy platform nice and safe.